Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my IPSY Valentine's Day mystery bag, which I have never bought a mystery bag from IPSY before. I just so happened to be able to wiggle myself onto the website and purchase one, even though the site has not been working since the day before Choice Day, so February 1st. I've reached out to them 2 different times, and they said it's a technical issue, and it's still going on, and I still cannot get on IPSY to this day. So if you're having these problems, let me know, or if you can go to IPSY and see if it's, having the same problem for you. I would like to know, because apparently they know about it, but as time gets closer on to, Choice Day, I'm like, when is it gonna get fixed? Like, it should have been fixed days ago. But anyways, we're gonna open up this mystery bag, and I'm so excited. I've never had a mystery bag before, like I said, so I'm excited. I just want to know what's in here. So the price for this was $14, so it's $2 more than the regular glam bag, so hopefully there's some amazing goodies in here. I saw like a sneak peek where it was like showing an OFRA highlighter and a bunch of other things, so we'll see what I get in here. But anyways, if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Right before we get started, 2 things. One, I am recording with my Blue Yeti X microphone, and I'm running it on a brand new program, so hopefully the audio will sound really good, because this is going to be the first time in like a year since I am trying to record with this microphone. It's so confusing. The technical stuff about, all of this, I'm not good at. And then number 2, I'm wearing the new style of Noella lashes. This is Fallon. These are so beautiful. Love it so much. I should have done like a more dramatic eye for these, but whatever, just testing them out for the first time. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this up and see what I got. Okay, so right off the bat, we have 2 products not in the bag. So the very first thing I'm pulling out is a brush. Now, this is from Firma, and this is a 103 brush. I want to say that I have received this before in an IPSY bag, but I cannot remember. But it's a very soft, beautiful angled brush, perfect for maybe a cream product, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I always love getting brushes. And then the other item in here that's not in the bag is a mask from Pacifica. It's the Energized Glow Turmeric Spice Facial Mask. Radiate Your Light Plus Turmeric, Watermelon, and Green Tea. It's for all skin types, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 1 single-use natural fiber sheet mask. So that's interesting, a sheet mask, okay. I'm not exactly fond of the brand Pacifica, but I will give it a try. I do like these types of masks because the cleanup is so much easier. You can just take it off and you're done, rather than like washing your face, rinsing it off, getting water everywhere. We're not a fan of that anymore, especially because, it just makes a mess. Okay, so now we are dipping in to see what the actual mystery bag looks like. So this side, it is just black. And then the open side is a cute little heart clasp. And then let's open it up and see what we have inside, and it says love yourself right here. Super darling. Oh, and speaking of super darling, the very first item I'm pulling out is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This is the second time I'm receiving this in IPSY, maybe even the 3rd, but I did just get this, I want to say a month ago, but I'm okay with that because this is an amazing mascara. Here we go. Let me show you the sample size and also the full size. So here is my sample size. So you can see how far the wand is from the actual holder here. That's what the wand looks like. And then this is what the full size looks like. It's got this really odd shaped like handle and bottom here. It's not exactly like, straight or anything, but it's super cute. And then this is what the wand looks like on the big one. Obviously the same wand, but the packaging is a little bit different. So here is the comparison. Next thing in here is from Cuccio. This is Cuccio Color, For the Love of Color. So we have a nail polish in here. Here's what the back of the packaging looks like. And then the color is a beautiful pinky toned red. Does that make any sense? It almost looks like the nail polish I have on, which is an Essie color. Let's just do like a swatch of this color. Here, I'll do it on the back of the box. This looks like the perfect toenail color. I wouldn't necessarily use this on my actual nails because it's a little too like plain. I like more festive colors or white, but that's the shade. It's pretty close to the swatch on the box, but it's definitely a lot darker. So this would be a really good toenail shade for me. We love this color for toenails, or my mother would really like that. And then the last item in here is from the brand Beauty for Real, and it's just a liquid lipstick. Let me take it out of the packaging and I will swatch the color for you guys. So this is actually a lip gloss, and it felt kind of sticky when I was applying it to my hand. It definitely feels like it's gonna have that sticky formula to it. Like, let me get this to zoom. You see how it's like, well, you can't really see, but it's definitely doing that, like, it's gonna be sticky. So I'm gonna wipe this off because it doesn't feel like a fun time. I paid $14 for this. The bag is really, really cute. Do I feel like I got my $14 worth? Not really. But it's not like it's a terrible deal. Just like the regular glam bag for 12 bucks is like the best deal because you're not gonna cry if you don't like anything because it was 12 bucks. $14 though, I mean, I would have liked to see something a little bit better than a nail polish and a single face mask, but I'm kind of sad that this is a sticky formula. It's a beautiful color, but it's sticky and I don't like sticky. The brush, however, I'm very pleased with. I love getting brushes in any of my subscription boxes because I don't like to clean my brushes, so when one gets pretty dirty, I'll switch to one that's not dirty, you know? And then the IT Cosmetics mascara, that's great to have. So overall, I'm pretty happy with my box, but I don't know if I'm gonna gamble my money again and purchase another mystery box, mystery bag, whatever, from IPSY. So this was my first one, and I don't know, I'm not really impressed. They kind of got you with the photo of like really nice brands that are gonna be in here, like OFRA. I saw the OFRA and I was like, oh, I want that. And no, I didn't get any of those nice brands in here. Well, IT Cosmetics is a nice brand, but everything else I'm just kind of like, because I don't really like the brand Pacifica. Don't think that I'm being negative. This is just like my personal feelings. It's just makeup. It's fine. You guys can have total different opinions than me. I am glad that I had this experience of trying out my first IPSY mystery bag. So did you guys get one? Let me know what you got in your bag down below. Did we get the same things? Did I just get a really not so exciting one? Let me know down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!